What is up mga gamers?
Oh, ba't ka nagagalit? Nag-joke lang ako eh.
Ito nga ba ang Jericho Gaming. So ito maglalaro tayo ng Blox Fruit. This is episode 2. Yeah.
Nice.
The other video, masyadong maingay yung keyboard. Parang ganito. Diba? So, handle it kasi hindi ko alam kung paano kaya naayusin. Anyways, the other video, we got Light Fruit! Wow! Ang nagbigay sa akin ito, ako yung nakakuha nito.
Okay.
Continue na natin yung grinding natin. Pero dito tayo magpapa-level 60. So yung maganda sa Light Fruit guys, may free sword. Free sword! Pag naka-Light Fruit kayo, mag B1 flight lang kayo pag nasa second. Yan, diwata. Pag nasa second, easy na kayo. Okay?
Okay.
Yan na. Level 60 na, move na sa next island. Desert! Okay. Lipan na na mo. Anyways, here we are. Spawn point muna tayo kasi at home. Ano ulit tayo sa Blox Fruits. Kailangan natin yan patasin. Bulogya! Panis! Medyo mahina pa yung damage guys. Bilis mag-full mastery oh. Patasan agad to. Ay, hindi ko nagamit ng codes. So, okay. Okay lang. Hanap ulit tayo codes. Gamitin natin tong sub to Captain Mao. Maybe I should stop clicking my keyboard too much. Sobrang ingay oh. So, papakita ko na lang sa inyo kung ang aking pag-level hanggang level 75. Let's go! Isa na lang guys. Also may fan dito ni Gen Animation. Ayan guys. Yan. Ayun na guys, level 76. Okay. Next quest na tayo which is Desert Officers. May damage na tayo sa water, may fruit na tayo eh. Sharkman tayo. Mag-human lang ako guys kasi ay magsha-sharkman ako. Mas maganda yung sharkman. So here's another leveling. Wow! Levels 88. Nice. Level 90 yun na guys. Next quest available. Okay. Frozen Village. Kulang pa ako ng toke para dyan. Okay. Ayun o. Let's go. That moon is very big. Like it's very big. Ito na tayo. Yay! So guys, kaya ability teacher 10k yung air jump. Flash step kasi kukunin ko guys. So air jump muna tayo tsaka yung aura. Yay! Let's go! Aura. Yay! Ito. Oh! Okay. Anong letter yan, J? Yay! Let's go! Okay. Let's continue our journey. Here's another level up. Three levels. Iyo, nasa bubong. Pamit ulit tayo guys. Dev's cooking. Oh, really? Wala kang update eh. Parang sila nagkukok. Oh, okay. What? Ito na lang, Kit Gaming. Ito na guys, next quest. Snowman! 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 Oh. Five levels? 105 lang yung Yeti? Oh! Kala ko ba ang 15 minus 10 pala? Please naman, 5 levels lang. Eh, masakit. Ito yung papa. Ayun, Yeti fur! Yay! Dami nun! 5! Yeti fur 100% naman nata yan eh. Needs more mana guys. We need more mana. Spawn na yung Yeti, nice one. Yay! Hey, Yeti fur ulit, 117. Tatlo na lang for the next island. Let's go. There you go, next island na guys. Marine Fortress, 800 meters away. It's basically 1 kilometer away. So, since my flight tayo, we don't need boat. Yeah! Here we are. Also, may check tayo kung magkano yung ano. Mundo doon. Doon yun eh. Yung cape. Kukuha tayo ng cape. How much? 50k? Okay. I'll save for that. Save up. Or no, I could get a cape from that, right? Maybe that. Vice Admiral 130. Okay. And then 150 yung magma. Okay. Noted. Tatlo lang talaga sila dito. Ay, 4. Yung isa. One more level guys. Yun na guys, next quest. 133. Nice. Ito na ang Vice Admiral. Ito na. Yay. Tagal ng cooldown. Okay, wala akong nakuha. Dami nun. More leveling. Tatlo. 1 level lang yun. Ayun, 146. Dalawa. Dito ba? Ayun, kinakalaban niya. Nanunahan ako guys. Wait lang, wag muna. Tutulong ako. Ay, iba pala yun. Iba pala yun. Ito pala yun. Meron na siyang coat din. Nakuha niya yung coat. Yay! Dalawa na lang guys. Malapit na. Isa na lang. Yun na guys, new quest available. Pero tapusin na rin natin tong quest, sayang. So yun na. Let's go to Magma Island. Magma, diba? Ay, Skylands pala.
Oh my God!
Wala ko Magma. Wala ko dun. With the sword. Patayin kaya natin yung saw. Let's kill the saw. Asan ba yun? Let's get the sword, guys. Hello. What level are you? 100. Kaya ko yan. Ito nga, guys. Sword to sword na, oh. Wow, di ko nakuha. Free bounty. Let's go to Skylands na. Dito na tayo. Dito na tayo. Magkano ba yung electric law? I forgot. Kunin natin yung electric law. Hello. 500k? Wag na. They made it easier talaga dati. Unang ganto-ganto eh. Kailangan mo talaga tumalon. Anyways, spawn point. At yun muna ang araws. Ayun muna ang para sa araw na ito. Salamat sa panonood. Bye-bye.
Alright,